Where should the shower floor drain be installed in the bathroom? This is a small but important detail in home renovation. I believe many people don't fully understand it. Let's first take a look at what this video says. Move all the floor drains, regardless of where the developer originally placed them, directly under the shower head. This is what we call the vertical floor drain technique. So, what are the benefits of this approach? When you take a shower, no matter how much water you use, it will flow directly into the drain. However, this approach is completely wrong. We all know that bathroom floors have a slope, and the floor drain is placed at the lowest point. This ensures that water naturally flows toward the lowest point, the drain. So if the floor drain is directly under the shower head, as mentioned in the video, this so-called vertical drain technique means that you will be standing right on the drain. Not only does this reduce drainage efficiency, but also, when you shower, the water pooling under your feet, along with soap and shampoo foam, would be quite uncomfortable. Therefore, the floor drain should be positioned away from where you stand while showering. It is best placed near the wall or in a corner, which is a much more reasonable approach. This way, when water collects on the floor, it can immediately flow into the drain without obstruction. What do you think? Feel free to leave a comment and discuss.